my coffee, and then we're just gonna do something, watch some TV. And I'm not gonna lie, right now I'm watching Bob Ross making an amazing picture. I love watching it. Does anybody else watch that? Like, I think it's so interesting, and he is just, or was so talented. And I could sit and watch him do these like trees and all these. I could sit there and watch him like for hours. So I'm just gonna get some my coffee. Penny's here. Penny. Penny, sit. Shake. Good girl. Lay down. Lay down. Good girl. You're such a good girl. Yeah. Guys, so Ryan and I right now are going in a little getaway, and it's going to be romantic and amazing. And we're going to Chattanooga, and we're going to go to the zoo and possibly the aquarium. I'm so excited. We haven't like gone out together for a while. We're gonna go to a hotel, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. So we're gonna show you around in Chattanooga. Park. That's me. We are here. Oh my gosh, look, it has the monkeys up to the top. I'm so excited. Camel. No, this is a cute camel. Oh, hello. Hello.
There he is. Look.
You're so cute.
Isn't that funny?
I remember us alone, waiting for the light to go. When I saw you on that stage, I shivered with the look you gave. I was biting my tongue, I was trying to hide. I'll forget what I've done, I'll be redefined. It's shaking the sky, and I'm following lightning. I'll recover if you keep me alive.
You think it's cola? That might be cola.
It's you that I've been waiting to find.
Morning, everybody. So we're going into the Frothy Monkey for breakfast. Check it out.
Now that we can hear that sound, now that
So where are we today?
We are at Chattanooga, and we are at the Frothy Pumpkin That was all wrong. So we are at the Frothy Monkey. We're just having some brunch. It's really cold out. There is, you could go inside and wait for like 30 minutes, or you could go outside and like ready. So we're like, oh, we're just gonna be ready. It's a little cold, but I have some coffee now, so.
Hold me down. Everything I can arrange. Every part of me you change. Tell me you'll always want me to stay.
Inside here, we're like walk through it. It has like a bunch of beer and stuff in there, like on tap, and if you can kind of see through it. I'm not sure if you can see it, but
It looks like each of these train cars is a different thing. So this looks like this is a bar. Over there, that whole train is an escape room.
we are now on our way walking to the water. And everything here is so pretty. I really like it a lot. I don't know if I would want to live here, but I really like it. There's like a lot of stuff to do here. All right, we're having some ice cream. All the flavors. It's down here. It smells so good in here. Right, here's Ryan's. All right, here is mine. Looks so delicious. How is it? Is it good?
That is good.
What did you get in yours?
Cookie dough. Reese's brownie.
Brownie. I don't even know what I got. I got vanilla with what is it? Coconut sprinkles, pecans. I think that's it. Bon appetit. Wow. I was working on the lab late one night. Oh, hello people. So right now we are obviously getting our pumpkins ready. I like the seeds, so I'm gonna cook on them and with all the butter and the salt and stuff like that. Ryan doesn't like that, so we only need a little bit of them because usually my mom and I have like so many seeds. Morgan does too, I think. This is our night. We have some wine. We have cleaning into our, it's gonna be amazing. All right, so I'm trying to see what I want my pumpkin to look like. And the problem is that these are so intricate. I pretty much can only do like a couple squares, triangles, and that's pretty much it. All right, mine is, I'm getting there. Don't look though, Ryan. Close your eyes.
How can I film and am I centered?
Yes. Don't look, you cheater. That's mine. I don't want Ryan to see it yet.
What are you making?
I mean, a smile, but like a little bit different than a smile. It's like, oh, whoa. And that's what I'm doing. I'm just trying to cut stuff without cutting myself, the ground,
Or others.
All right, guys, here are our pumpkins. This is Ryan's on the left, mine over here. So much fun. I love carving pumpkins. I always do every year. So this is the first time ever doing it, obviously not with my mom. So it's crazy. She should have come over and carved pumpkins together. We always did it together, but it was amazing doing it for the first time with Ryan and I.
We didn't even do it last year because we were separated by distance.
So yeah, we had a really good time carving all of our amazing pumpkins. I think we look so good with them. And then there's Ryan. And then there's Penny. Right there. You're a good girl. Yes. But yeah, we had a blast doing it.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.